So mainly if we talk about the advantages of Fintso, so first of all, the technology friendly nature of the app has helped me a lot because whenever I have a discussion with my clients, instantly I get I have the access to their portfolios, and while on call, I am able to explain how their portfolio is performing. And secondly, there are various clients who have different types of needs. The risk appetite and the time frame and so different clients are different. So here comes different product offerings by Fintso into the picture. So first product offering, which is global investment, that actually not only diversifies the portfolio of a client but also manages the risk. Fintso is completely digital platform. So what happens here is that if I have to onboard a new client, it is very easy for me. The entire process is absolutely paperless, and this increases the efficiency and speed of onboarding. Secondly, this not only helps me expand my client base. As of now, I have clients from all across the nation. I have clients from Andaman on Fintso, and I have never been to Andaman. Secondly, after onboarding, the order execution and reporting process is actually even more simpler. Reporting is automated. So every month I don't have to manually generate the reports and send it to clients. Automatically these things are done. So this is again reducing my tasks. And third thing is the easy nature of app, where I instantly have access to the portfolio of all the clients. So whenever I am interacting with any client, it is very easy to perform the portfolio review and even compare that portfolio with some other clients. If we talk about from customer perspective, so first of all, Fintso not only gives the ability to the customer to look at his or her portfolio in real time, and they do not have to go to some other bank or some place, or they do not have to wait for the statements for them to get the updates about that. Secondly, all the reports and everything are sent directly to the customer. So customer also knows, and if a customer is much more aware about his or her investments, then it is very easier to upsell things in terms of festivals. Thirdly, there are many news and market updates which are being sent from Fintso, and they are white labeled, and I myself can use my logos and everything on the documents, and I can share those documents to my clients. To summarize Fintso in one sentence would be: finances made so easy for me because I am actually 100% independent when I'm working with Fintso.